Is it really possible to start with just a few $100s and make great profits trading crypto futures? The short answer, yes, it's possible, but it's also very risky. Trading is not easy, this is not financial advice, and there are no guarantees that everyone who starts trading will make money. The more knowledge and discipline you have, the better your chances of becoming a profitable trader. That's why in this educational video, we'll walk you through our complete trading plan, including the exact strategies we use and why we trade on Bitunix. Make sure to stick around until the end, because we'll also share bonus tips that can help protect your capital and your nerves. Before we dive in, a quick note. We've recently partnered with Bitunix Exchange, one of the top futures trading platforms we personally use. It offers no KYC trading and access to more than 500 crypto pairs. If you sign up today, or before the bonus campaign ends, you'll receive up to a 20% deposit bonus. It's a great way to test futures trading and see if it's the right fit for you. Part 1. Risk and Capital Management. The biggest mistake beginners make is going all in and losing everything. So, here's the system we follow. Max risk per trade, 1 to 2%, don't risk more than that. Max daily loss, 5%. Position size, 5 to 10% of your capital per trade. Always use a stop loss and target at least 1 to 2 or 1 to 3 risk to reward. Part 2. Trading strategies. This is a strategy where you follow the main market direction instead of fighting against it. First, you need to determine support and resistance levels on the daily and 4-hour charts on all the coins and tokens you plan to trade for the day. On the 1-hour chart, we observe SMA 50 and SMA 200, two moving averages that show you the trend. If the price is above both SMAs, the market is in an uptrend, we look for long positions. If the price is below both SMAs, the market is in a downtrend, we look for short positions. RSI, Relative Strength Index, shows whether the market is overbought or oversold. Ideally, you should buy when RSI comes out of the 30 zone, when the token is oversold, and sell when it falls from 70 when the token is overbought. Volume confirms whether there is real strength behind the move. If price is rising and volume is rising, it means there is fuel for the trend to continue. Entry. Example. Coin you trade is above EMA 50 and EMA 200. RSI jumps from 30 toward 50, and volume is rising. This means buyers are strong and the trend is bullish. We are looking to enter long. On the 1-hour chart, we are waiting for the price to drop to the 50 simple moving average to make a quick wick below support and returns above the simple moving average. That's a signal that only stop-loss orders were taken out, and the real direction is up. When the next candle breaks the previous one, we enter a long position. Target. Take profit at the next important resistance level. Set the stop loss right below the last candle. This is the most stable strategy because you trade with the trend, not against it. If you want to take futures trading seriously, you need a clear daily routine. Without it, trading becomes gambling. Here's how our system looks. 1. Pre-trading analysis, 15 to 20 minutes before trading. Macro trend. Check Bitcoin and Ethereum on daily, 1D, and weekly 1W timeframes to see the main trend. Mark the key support and resistance levels of the tokens we trade for that day. 2. Live trading during the day. Don't chase any setup. We wait for all strategy conditions to be met. Maximum 1 to 3 trades per day. If there is no real signal, don't trade. Every position has a clear stop loss and take profit set before entry. Bonus tips. The biggest trick is not finding the perfect indicator, but learning patience and discipline. No revenge trades. If a trade is a loss, don't immediately open the next one. Stop and analyze the market. Close the platform when you hit your daily loss limit. Tomorrow is a new day. Have in mind that small profits each day accumulate and create massive results. If you want to start futures trading, register on Bitunix today via the link in the description, claim your bonus, and test your trading strategies. We're not here to sell you dreams. Futures trading is risky, but that's exactly why it can bring you serious profits if you know what you are doing. Why Bitunix? No KYC required. Registration takes only 1 minute. Wide range of crypto pairs for futures. Bonuses up to $400 for new users. Link is in the description so you can try trading and see if it's the right fit for you. Check out the full crypto trading and investing course for beginners on our channel, and in just 1 hour you can learn everything you need to know about cryptocurrencies, trading and investing. Subscribe to our channel for more videos, and we'll see you in the next one.